Why use Hulu? Hulu is a versatile streaming service offering a mix of on-demand TV shows, movies, live TV, and exclusive originals. It provides affordable plans, customizable options, and access to network TV episodes shortly after airing. Whether you're looking for classic shows, original series, or live sports, Hulu offers something for everyone. Here are the top reasons why you should consider using Hulu. 1. Affordable subscription plans and flexibility. Hulu with ads. Budget-friendly option with full access to Hulu's on-demand library. Hulu no ads. Ad-free streaming of all on-demand content. Hulu Plus Live TV with ads. Includes live channels like ESPN, ABC, NBC, Fox, CBS, plus on-demand content. Hulu Plus Live TV. No ads. All live and on-demand content without ads, except live TV which still has commercials. The Disney Bundle combine Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus for one lower price. Second, exclusive Hulu originals. Hulu offers critically acclaimed original series that are only available on the platform, such as The Handmaid's Tale, Emmy-winning dystopian drama, Only Murders in the Building, mystery comedy starring Steve Martin, Martin Short, and Selena Gomez, The Bear, highly rated restaurant drama, Fargo, anthology crime drama based on the classic film, Reservation Dogs, indigenous-led comedy series, The Dropout, biographical drama about Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes. 3. Next-day streaming for network TV shows. Hulu is one of the only services that offers next-day streaming of network TV episodes from ABC, NBC, and Fox. CBS shows are available on Paramount Plus instead. Popular shows like The Bachelor, Grey's Anatomy, The Simpsons, and Law & Order are available shortly after airing. 4th, live TV option for sports and news. Hulu Plus Live TV includes 75 plus live channels such as ESPN, Fox Sports, CBS Sports, and NFL Network for sports fans. Local ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox stations for news and primetime TV. CNN, MSNBC, and Fox News for breaking news coverage. Includes ESPN Plus for more live sports, UFC fights, and original programming. 5. Huge on-demand library of TV shows and movies. Hulu offers a massive collection of classic and current TV shows, including Brooklyn Nine-Nine, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, Modern Family, Rick and Morty, The X-Files, a rotating selection of movies from 20th Century Studios, Searchlight Pictures, and FX. 6. The Disney Bundle, Hulu Plus, Disney Plus Plus, ESPN Plus. Get Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus for a discounted price. Best for families who want kid-friendly content, Disney Plus. Live sports, ESPN Plus, and general entertainment, Hulu. 7. Multiple profiles and simultaneous streaming. Hulu allows up to 6 user profiles, so everyone in the household gets personalized recommendations. Standard plans support 2 simultaneous streams, with an option to upgrade to unlimited screens. 8. Offline viewing. No ads plan only. Hulu, no ads. Subscribers can download shows and movies to watch offline. Available on mobile devices like iPhones, iPads, and Android phones and tablets. Who should use Hulu? TV show fans. Watch new episodes the next day after they air. Live TV viewers. Get cable channels, live sports, and local news with Hulu Plus Live TV. Original series lovers. Access award-winning Hulu originals. Families. The Disney Bundle includes Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus for all ages. Cord cutters. A great alternative to cable TV with affordable options. Hulu is a flexible, affordable streaming service with next-day network TV episodes, live sports, original content, and a vast on-demand library. Whether you want live TV, classic sitcoms, or critically acclaimed dramas, Hulu is one of the best choices for streaming entertainment.